Whoa.
Then we send them away through cool tunnels.
Reese's! Oh, they're right above us!
Reese's! Wow, this place is so cool and amazing! What are we doing here? It's ginormous! I wonder if there's a place set. Do you think I can get something? Let's take the picture!
We're at Chocolate World in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We're about ready to go in the chocolate factory. Will you come with us? This place is so awesome. They have an amusement park, they have a chocolate factory, and a whole bunch of cool stuff. All the boys had a blast. They even have a chocolate car.
It's a candy car!
I've always wanted to visit Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory. I guess this is the closest we're gonna get.
Yeah. It's like Willy WONKA''s Chocolate Factory. But more chocolate than candy. Oh, nice. Hey guys, I wonder if MrBeast is here. It's a candy paradise.
So the boys wanted everything that they saw here. And oh, we're about ready to go on the chocolate factory tour. This was so fun and cool. Come join us.
We're going to Yeah, we have a TV. Do you guys have a TV out there?
Yeah, we have a TV.
I will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Whoa.
Hi folks, welcome to our dairy farm, the Hershey Beast.
Whoa, there's a factory.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory.
You saw
I was
us?
asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go.
Look at the chocolate conveyor belt.
It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical
Cocoa
regions around the
beans.
world.
Look at all those
to achieve
beans,
that
guys.
unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Whoa.
Grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years.
Whoa, look at
Our
the
pressing
chocolate.
machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. This also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the
Mama,
process.
here's a Reese's.
What do you see?
Reese's.
You love Reese's.
Every day, Shelly
Hi, Reese's. Mama, it's Reese's.
milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that you call chocolate crumbs.
What is that?
Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Whoa.
These punching machines use granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The punching process.
Guys, that's so cool. What's that? Think something better. Everything. Oh, guys, look at that.
Whoa.
Roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride.
Reese's, whoa.
Then we send them away through cool tunnels.
Reese's! Whoa, they're right above us!
Reese's.
Look at them all! Look at the chocolate bars, Willy Wonka!
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Whoa! Look at all those Reese's!
Reese's thing.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Hershey Kisses. Look at the Hershey Kisses.
Whoa!
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go.
Okay, guys, time to go share some goodness.
Whoa! Dance party! Oh yeah!
Guys, this is so awesome.
Until the door opens. And watch your step on the
Look there, guys.
Wow.
Thank you. Got a free chocolate bar. Those things cost $1 each. Let's go check. Should we get a stuffy night, guys? Come on, guys. It's a candy paradise here. Guys, let's go check out the stuffies. And we might buy one. Come on. Wow, this is amazing.
I need this, I need this, I need this, I need
You don't need it. You want it.
Oh, did you hear that? I think they're tiny. Keep your eyes out for Oompa Loompa. Look for MrBeast! Look, he had a baby. I wonder how these babies turn out.
Wow.
World's largest Reese's. World's largest Kit Kat.
Thanks for going on our adventure to Chocolate World with us. Hey, hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have some really fun videos this summer planned for you, and thanks for being a part of it. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Oh, thanks for taking me. The tour was so cool. It was like